I'm Joshua Bardwell.
And I'm James Christensen.
And this is FlowState, the FPV drone documentary. It's a Blu-ray. You can buy it right now, and we're going to tell you more about it. We are super happy to tell you that you can finally buy FlowState, the FPV documentary, today on Blu-ray. Blu-ray?
Blu-ray.
Does anybody still use Blu-rays, James?
I think people might have Blu-ray out there, so we want to throw it out there and say, get the Blu-ray. If you've never bought a Blu-ray before, now's the time.
Now's the time. Yeah, we're working on getting it on streaming services, and it will be coming, and we will be making an announcement about that. But the great thing about Blu-ray is that we have full control, and we can put the entire film that we shot exactly as we want it. This is kind of a director's cut in a way.
Yeah. I mean, what you're getting is content that is not available on streaming. Even the actual cut itself, to pass quality control, you cannot have like social media references, website references. If you want the full gamut, it's going to be on the Blu-ray.
James, what's on the Blu-ray?
You are getting the main film, which is 94 minutes long. And then you're also getting the bonus features, which has 6 chapters that have not been included in the film itself. Content that would have been originally edited for a 3-part docu-series. Now, keep in mind, we also showed a 2-hour film in the film festivals, which won awards, and everyone loved it. So how much more can you get family and friends to sit down for just an hour and a half and show them and showcase our passion for FPV in this film?
Well, the beautiful thing about the Blu-ray is that you've got the hour and a half cut to show your family and friends and show them how awesome the hobby of they're like, what is it that you love so much about FPV? Here it is.
The feedback that I loved personally was that a significant other gained a very, new perspective on what their spouse or their significant other's passion was in FPV they had no idea about, as well as some of them even wanting to join in and become pilots and fly with them. So they love that. Obviously that's transformative for their relationship. And I thought that was really cool.
Now, you can purchase this disc at our store at FlowStateDocumentary.com. You'll notice that this is a signed special edition. I'm going to be signing some of it. How many do you think I should sign, James?
Oh, it should be exclusive. 200 max.
200? Okay. I'm going to be signing 200 of these, and I will also throw in this extremely limited edition challenge coin. And those are going to be available through FlowStateDocumentary.com only. But the standard disc you can get at our store, and we're partnering with some major FPV retailers, and we'll put links down in the video description if you want to pick those up. James, I think my favorite part of the film has to be the ending chapter, FlowState. There's this state of mind that you get into where you're flying that is so hard to capture and is so transcendent. Mm-hmm. And when I was watching that, I really felt like you captured it perfectly.
Thanks.
If somebody wanted to know what people love about FPV, there's so many aspects of it, from the social aspect to the building. But I think the part that really captures you is that feeling. And that last chapter just sums it up so well.
And it's just everyone touching on how they love that state of mind that they enter when they just are able to escape everything except for the flight just being one with the craft, right? And it's just an amazing thing. And it's why we called the film FlowState.
You're making me want to go fly right now.
Yeah.
Well, we're looking forward to you seeing all of FlowState, the FPV drone documentary. Again, FlowStateDocumentary.com and major FPV retailers linked down below. Pick it up.